Hi Vaishnavi,
Hello,
how are
sir.
you?
Good. I'm fine.
Please have your seat.
Thank you.
So, how are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm well. Good.
So, Vaishnavi, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Vaishnavi Tiwari. I stay in Lingampalli. I'm pursuing my degree in Pratibha Degree College.
Mm-hmm.
Completed my intermediate in Sri Gayatri, SSC in Sri Vani Vidyaniketan High School. Coming to my family background, my father name is Brindavan Prasad Tiwari. He is a businessman. My mother name is Aishwarya Tiwari. She is a cook. I have two elder sisters. Coming to my hobbies, I'm interested in drawing and mehendi.
Oh, it's a different one.
Yeah.
So, why do you choose this workshop?
Like I want to join in IT sector, so
Mhm.
I chosen this work. It was too good.
So, which makes you to choose the IT sector?
Didn't understood.
Come again.
I didn't get you.
So, which makes you to make passion to get into IT sector?
Like work testing that I am interested in some work, so I thought I can join this
Okay. So, did you gain any knowledge after
workshop.
work in this
Yeah.
workshop?
Before workshop, I don't know any knowledge about IT sector.
Mm-hmm.
After workshop, I gained some knowledge
Mm-hmm.
about IT sector.
Mm-hmm. So, what is the abbreviation of SDLC and STLC?
SDLC, software development lifecycle, and STLC, software technical lifecycle.
Good. So, what is an agile workflow?
Agile like PO, signing, like next refinement call,
Mm-hmm.
development, ready for development, development progress, peer review,
Mm.
and ready for QA, process, QA in process, sign off, and then
Don't
data
get
close.
nervous. Be cool.
Yeah.
You seems to be very nervous.
Yeah.
So it's just a formal technical discussion.
Oh,
Okay. So which workflow will you prefer, SDLC or Agile?
agile.
Agile.
Yeah.
So why?
Like I feel it's comfortable.
Okay. Comfortable in the sense means you can play
Like
around there.
no. Like it's
Uh,
easy. Like
okay. So what is the role of a Scrum Master?
Scrum Master, he keep a meeting
Mm-hmm.
for the client and the PO, business
Okay.
analyst.
Good. So what is the difference between Android and iOS devices?
Android, it's a phone and iOS iPhone.
Mm-hmm.
Android 14 versions and iOS is 17 versions.
So which phone are you using right now?
Android.
So why not iOS?
iOS I can't prefer. Like it's have less charging
Uh-huh.
like that.
But you know that iOS is having a very good security.
But we have more facilities like more options in Android.
So can you tell me what are the more options you observe?
Like Android we can click any number of pictures, but iPhone don't support that.
Why?
It give best quality, but after using some time, it's like storage full, like that.
So you have seen so many ads
Yeah.
related to the iPhone.
Yes.
Huh? Good. So do you know database?
Yeah, database where the data is collected from
Mm-hmm.
the main client.
Good. So that means you are collecting the data
Data
and storing
storing
it
in one
somewhere,
place. Yeah.
somewhere where we can pull and
Yeah.
access the data. So what else? So now tell me, we'll go for out of the box. You
Yeah.
said that you have a hobbies of
Mehendi and
mehendi,
drawing.
drawing.
Yeah.
So I think those two are getting synced because
Yeah.
for the mehendi people, we need some drawing.
Drawing art. Yeah.
So what is the best mehendi art have you performed till now? So
Mehendi art.
you got so many appreciation for that.
Yeah.
So what is that, and when you did, and for whom you did that?
I kept for my sister
Good.
marriage,
Uh-huh.
like bride.
Yeah.
So I got best that.
Wow. So it seems that if you have any interest on that, means you'll be performing
Yeah.
out of
That.
the box.
Yes.
That we need. Very good. So what is the meaning of a GUI?
I don't know about this.
Okay, let me explain you. GUI means graphical user interface. That means in the Android phone, you are seeing some screens.
Yes.
That means the icons. So that is the user interface. That means where user can see the application, user visibility. Okay, so nothing to worry if you forgot, means just I'll explain.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
So what is the difference between front end and a database?
Front end, we can see The front-end performance we can see to application, but database we can't. It collect the data and keep it one place, but we can't see that.
Yes. Good. So who will do testing?
Testers.
Okay. So how many type of testings are there?
Two.
What are those?
Nominal and automation.
Manual and
Manual automation.
So which one you like?
Automation.
Good. So nowadays people are choosing automation only because you know AI, artificial intelligence. So what is the purpose? To reduce the manual efforts, where the robots will do the work instead of the humans. So that based on that we will get more output in the less time. Very good. Seems you are very pretty much up to date in the market. Yeah. So what will BA do in the agile process? BA, business
analysis. He collect the information and give to the next developer. He collect the information from the client application.
So why can't you choose the BA position instead of automation QA?
Automation can be done automatically in less time, but whereas coming to collecting the information, I can't.
So for Mehendi also you need to collect the different type of designs, right?
I'm like, if you choose one, I can keep that, anything like that.
So even for that also, for the BA also, you need to choose the information
but
from
work
the client.
will be more comparing to that, I think.
Cool, that doesn't matter. So have you placed any orders in Amazon?
Yes.
Can you order me something in the Amazon?
Right now?
Yes.
Yeah, I can.
Tell me, what will you order for me?
A wallet or a perfume.
Why a wallet and why a perfume?
Wallet? Whenever you can see that wallet, you can remind me. Yeah.
And a perfume?
Smell. So whenever you keep, you can remind me.
Thank you. So what is the process of placing an order?
First, we have to download the application, then log in with a phone number, then select add to cart, then order, payment. After that, order will be successful. Then we have to track. Order will be successful.
So how will you make a payment? By you using your wallet or your dad's wallet?
Dad's wallet for sure.
So dad won't give the pocket money?
Mother.
So obviously. Mothers will be giving the pocket money. For me as well, my mom used to give the pocket money. Whenever I used to ask any pocket money from my dad, he used to give 100 rupees. My mom will used to give 1000 rupees.
For sure, that money.
So while placing that order, what are the difficulties you faced?
Like location. For some locations, the delivery can't be available. That one. Like payments also.
Okay. So can you explain what type of suggestion you give for that problems? That means you said that the location thing which makes me feel bad and the payment thing. So can you come up with any of the solution which you think out of the box?
Like no.
No? So that means you are seeing that this. So can you tell me what payment feels make you bad? While placing the order in the Amazon, you said that while making a payment, I feel some sort of irritation or some sort of disturbance.
The product price will be high, but the delivery price will be much higher than that. I face that problem.
Okay, so you are saying about price of the product. But I am asking about payment. So you pay using phone pay or Google Pay, cash or dad's card.
Yeah.
Right? So in that you faced any problem?
Like payment till now I didn't. I faced in the product and
so until and unless dad used to flow the cash, you don't face any problem.
No.
Once dad cut off the card,
problem start.
The problem starts. Then you need to call mom. I need a cut. Right?
Right.
Very good. So you feel that while placing the order in the Amazon is very good.
Yeah.
So are you a foodie? I don't think you looks like a foodie.
No, I am foodie, but where it goes, I don't know.
Cool. So what's your favorite food?
Biryani.
Obviously, even me too likes. Hyderabadi biryani.
Biryani.
So will you cook?
No, I'm just a foodie, not a cook.
But foodies means they learn
No.
cooking also. Even I am a foodie.
Like I know cooking in veg, but non-veg. I don't know about non-veg.
Okay. So what's your favorite dish for cooking in veg?
Khichdi.
Uh-huh. So can you tell me how you prepare the process for
Khichdi.
preparing the khichdi? So based on that, I'll tell you something.
Like I have to tell the process of the making of khichdi. Take a moong dal, half cup of moong dal with 1 glass of rice. Keep the water sufficient and take it 3 whistles. After that, we have to like mash it. Rice and the dal, we have to mash it, and adding salt, water, we have to heat side, and taking a vessel of some kadai, oil, some masala items. After that, we have to pour in it. That's
So you know the process, what are the ingredients,
Yes.
what to do, and then what is the output. So the same thing will be applicable for developing an application, because you know the target,
Yeah.
what I am preparing. That means your food is khichdi, right? So the same thing for khichdi, you need some ingredients,
Yes.
and you need some utensils and some infrastructure you need,
Yes.
right? So for some type of application developments also, you will have some target. Okay, the target audience or else the target application, some any mobile app in Android you want to develop. So what will you do? Okay, this type of application I'm going to develop. So this type of UX designs I need, this type of database I need. At the end of the day, this type of coding should be done. And then what is the output? Mobile app.
Yeah.
So the same thing, the software development also will go. Here we are doing the food, there we are developing the software, right? So now you got how the software thing will be worked in the back.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions on that?
No.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Cool. So how many type of environments are there?
5.
Can you tell me?
Local, development, stages, process, procedure.
No, local, development, staging, production.
Yeah, production.
Production means end user. Because you are using an application in your phone. That is the production part. So behind that, the rest of the things will go on, right? So how many roles are available in a software company?
Roles are 4.
What are those?
BA, developer, tester, and user.
Okay. And uh, who will test the application?
Testers.
So how many type of, what happened to local in and QA? What will happen in local and
In
QA?
local, the code will be ready. In QA, process starts, I think so.
QA will do the testing.
Okay.
Suppose you preparing a khichdi.
Yeah.
Okay. So you won't taste it until it completes. But
Yeah.
in the middle, you ask your mom, "Mom, can you taste it?"
Yeah.
So mom will definitely come, take a spoon, have it. So she is the tester.
Okay.
Because she certifies that whatever the khichdi you are making is
Good
tasteful or not, or you need to add something else, right? So if you miss something else, means they are called defects.
Okay.
Because mom will say, hey, some you need to add some more salt, you need to add some more ghee, that type of things. What are the mistakes you done? Your mom will say. So mom will play it as a tester, you played as a developer. Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
So what is the difference between error and a defect?
Error, we can't, just it will be deleted. But in defect, it will be completely deleted from the application or anything.
Good. So how many type of domains are there? What are the domains you know?
I think 5. But for sure, it will be more than that.
Yeah, definitely. Because whenever a new product came into the market, that may be a new domain, right? Because until and unless we use it, we don't know about that. Correct? So can you tell me what are the domains you know as of now?
Like e-commerce, hospitality. Yeah, for sure, I know this both.
Banking.
I have idea, but completely I'm not sure about that.
So have you ever been to a bank?
No.
No?
No.
So tomorrow ask your dad to go with a bank and see what are the things happening.
Okay.
So, and observe the ATM.
Like banking transactions credit, I know about that.
Yeah.
But
So you need to understand in depth also,
Oh,
so that you will be having some knowledge before getting into that domain part.
oh,
So before knowing, see, you know about cooking. So without knowing the knowledge of cooking, it may take so much time, right?
yes.
So you got the difference, what I'm saying, why I'm saying,
Yeah.
right? So can you explain how, what else? Yeah, I'm thinking one example for you. Yeah, in the Swiggy, have you ever faced any problems?
No.
So you are comfortable with the
Yes.
Swiggy?
Yes.
Perfect. So coming to feedback thing, how you felt about this workshop?
Workshop was best. I
So,
gained some knowledge about IQ.
do you have any suggestions or any improvements where we can improve?
No. Everything was good.
Thank you. Thank you for the feedback. So, you have any questions for me?
No.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
You can ask any questions.
Like till now, I don't have any questions.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So, you are pretty much clear on everything,
Yes.
right?
Right.
Yeah, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Ashwari. Have a good day.
Thank you.